Hello, my name is Tanisa Sanchez, and I'd like to take just a moment to walk you through our new communication app called Pronto. We will utilize it for most of our conversations throughout our course. It is available for both the iPhone and the Android. However, for the purpose of this video, I will walk you through how to sign in for the first time using my iPhone. As you can see, it's located at the bottom right-hand corner called Pronto. You will be immediately directed to log in using your email account. This is the one we have on file at MiraCosta, where you get all of your MiraCosta emails. Once that is submitted, you will be sent a verification code to that email address. When that verification code is received, you will enter it on this screen. Once you submit it, it's as simple as that. You are in. All of your courses at MiraCosta should be included in your list. That list is called a drawer. As you can see, mine is quite extensive, so by clicking the carets on the left-hand side of the screen, I can condense that list. You do have the option of sending direct messages to other students or myself, creating a group, which then you can also enter a group code if someone invites you, and creating tasks. Much of the information you'll receive from me in this course will be through announcements and or direct messages. If you have questions that perhaps appear, or maybe a connection you made with your peer, direct message would be the way to go. Please adhere to those guidelines of being responsible and kind. I hope you all have a great day. If you have questions, send it in pronto. I'll see you in Canvas.